Hi, let me show you a coffee machine from Royal Catering. As you can see just by the size of it, that's for places where you have lots of sleepy guests, so in huge need for coffee. This particular model has a 20-litre capacity with a working capacity of 16 litres, meaning you can actually fill it up to 16 litres. There is a measure where you can see how much water is inside. Since you wonder, it is shown in cups, so it is meant for 100 cups. Alright, so let's just go through some technicalities. First of all, it is a stainless steel construction with some plastic parts with a nice black coat finish, which actually makes it in my opinion, look really nice. The heart of the mechanism is in the base. It works with 1500 watts, so it's quite powerful. Alright, so let me explain to you how it works. So basically, when you put your water inside, the heating element will heat up the water. It will go up this pipe, which is just on the very bottom of the container. The coffee is in that basket. And talking about the basket, well, in order to make it work, you need filters, the paper filters like that. You can get them nearly anywhere. They're really available on the internet, but also on our website. So you just place the filter on the bottom of the basket, get your coffee inside, and well, the perfect amount of coffee is between somewhere 6 and 12 grams. That's the so-called golden cup. So for the amount of water we have, I won't measure it out. Just for the purpose of the exercise, just make sure the coffee is nice and even. Just spread it out. Make sure you fit it onto that pipe and place it in the tank. It fits only one way, so that's not really hard. So just make sure it is solid there. You just place the lid on, which is nice and plastic with a insulation in here and also a vent on the top. There's also instructions how to slide it in. There's a safety, so this lid would nicely fit on the slide. And all you have to do now is just turn it on. So this on and off switch is on the side here. And well, if you see the green light, it means the coffee is ready. So you need to wait for the cycle to end. Afterwards, when the cycle is finished, the machine will maintain the temperature of the coffee on an optimal level. Alright, since we have a few minutes until the coffee is ready, let me just tell you, if you are looking for a coffee machine, just have a look at the website, because there's a whole range of these devices on offer with different sizes, different capacities, different efficiencies, different designs, so you will definitely find the one that will suit your needs best. If it comes to packaging, because they will be sent to you if you order one of them, the producer made sure they are really secure on its way. Let me just show you the box it comes in. So first of all, there's an instruction manual. I'll get that in a second. But the producer made sure they pack it really well. They put it not in one, not two, but 3 cardboard boxes, one inside of the other, with lots of packaging material in it. Some bubble wrap, foil and so on. So really, there's nothing that can happen to it on its way to your place, which is great. Alright, of course the device comes with a 3-year warranty, so whatever happens, you're safe for a very long time, and 3 years is a very long time, because normally kitchen appliances come with just 24 months, so having 3 years is actually a very cool thing. Also, as I said, in the box there's instruction manual. Please have a read before you go with the device the first time for service, because there's a lot of information on how to prep the device for its first use, how to clean and operate it, how to maintain it, and of course how to use it altogether. So definitely worth having a read. Alright, so let's give it a few more minutes and I show you how the tap works. Alright, so the machine already switched the lights, so it turned off the light for heating, it turned off the light for warming, meaning the coffee is now at a really comfortable temperature, and it will hold for as long as the machine is on. So let's see how the tap works. So it's a drip-proof tap, nothing drips down from it. You can either depress it or you can lift it, so you can do either this or the other way around. So it would lock itself in this position, so you always have to remember to pull it back down or pull back up, depending how you use it. Alright, so now I have a delicious cup of coffee. And that's about it. So if you found this interesting, just leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what other machines I can test for you and I'll do it. I thank you guys very much for watching and I see you next time.